Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gath right here on the evening of February 17th, 2025, or I guess now it is very early, February 18th, 2025. But we now have a winter weather advisory that just began at midnight and lasts until midnight Tuesday night. We're looking at maybe about an inch of snow here in Norman and Oklahoma City, and certainly up over 1/10 of an inch of ice. I think we're going to have some more ice this time around than we did with last Wednesday's storm. So yeah, the precipitation will start overnight, and the temperature, our high for the day is really right now. Like it's just going to get colder as the day goes on. And I mean, by 3 p.m., we're going to be down to around 20 degrees. And I mean, we'll drop below freezing, probably around 6 to 8 a.m. And then it'll just get colder as the day goes on. And tomorrow night's low, the bigger deal here, yeah, certainly a little bit of ice and snow. Maybe, yeah, a tenth to a quarter inch of ice, maybe about an inch of snow. Now, the main concern here over the next few days is really the extreme cold. We've got an extreme cold warning beginning at 6 p.m. on Tuesday and lasting until noon on Thursday. So Tuesday night low is looking at around 4 degrees, and wind chill values could get as low as -20. The wind is really going to pick up throughout the day on Tuesday and on into Wednesday as well. And highs on Wednesday will probably only top out in the mid-teens, maybe around 15 or so. And then back down in the lower single digits, maybe even colder, possibly 2 degrees on Wednesday night, although the wind does look to lessen up a tiny bit now. And then once we head on into Thursday, we might get up to around 20 degrees, and the wind will die down some more, and then we'll start to warm up a little bit. Back around freezing by Friday, and then maybe some 40s and maybe some 50s and even 60s as we head on into the weekend. So yeah, stay tuned if anything does change here. Yeah, looking like a winter weather advisory and then an extreme cold warning, and they do overlap there for a few hours as well. So, yep, thanks, and have a great and safe evening.